All right, happy Sunday, everyone. I know many of you are out at the SAGICOR run this morning, thousands of you. And guess what? I'm proud of you. You're making a difference. You are contributing to a worthy cause. So big up SAGICOR, big up everybody. Feel proud of yourself. Unfortunately, I won't be there this year, out in the West doing some work, but feel very good to know that the SAGICOR run is supporting many efforts in the West in education, health, and so on. Enjoy, and feel proud. Big up.
$152 million! Where's the check? Where's the check? Show the check! Show the check! Target was $150 million. And a couple of days ago we posted that we were this close. This close. Well, before I tell you the number, I want to say that Sigma has broken $1 billion for its 28 years. $1 billion we have raised for this country for health, education. But the number this year, we're still this close. Still this close. But guess what? It's this close on the other side. We're $152 million. 31,000 people. When I was with the principals, and you'll see them today, of the schools that we're going to be rebuilding, they told me that when rain falls, the children start to cry. And that was it for me. I said, we are going to do this year. So all of you, you're going to help to stop the children from crying in the West. Thank you very much. Hey!
I think at my age, I need to preserve my knees because I'm not running hard surfaces anymore. I've been a supporter of SAGICOR in the run for many years. Maybe not running or walking I have in the past, but certainly to be a patron to signal to the world what Jamaica feels like when 1% of our population comes together is phenomenal. Because if you really think about it, we're the largest run, perhaps per capita in the world. Because if you look at other populations, if 1% of theirs, for example, the United States came out, that would go 3.5 million people. So when you think about 31,000 people coming together, united, standing together, not in competition, but for compassion, once you add value to Jamaica, I'm Jamaican first, so I had to be a part of this.
What, did you get your time?
You know what?
You're just running for the cause.
I just ran for the cause. And as I said to people before, I said, hop, skip, jump. Every step matters because you're giving a child the opportunity to discover how important education is to their opportunities of succeeding. So times were not important to me, and I'm just happy to be here with Jamaican people because as I said, there's nothing more powerful than when Jamaicans come together for something, and today was a supreme example of that.
I'm doing this for a couple of years. And Sigma, if you put your 7.3, you still I do it. You understand? My time for today is 30.122. 30 minutes, 22 seconds, 0.9. And the distance is actually 6.3. You know, it's nice to run 6.3. At my age, I'm actually 50 and I'm doing this. I like it. Sigma big up. Nah, man. Yeah, man. Totally supportive. From the heart. Straight up.
What time is it? So this is an improvement from the last time you've done it?
I am always pleased to participate in this event. In fact, this is about my 15th participation. I only missed one, and that was during COVID. Health is important, and this is a good movement for the health of the nation. And I want to encourage everyone here, take your health seriously. Believe me, I'm trying to follow my own advice. God bless you. Have a good time.
Some of you will run, some of you will walk, some of you will push through the pain, but I want you to understand that as Jamaicans, we are ordinary people who unite for an extraordinary purpose.
I want you to do it. I have my house and I have my car. I have my drink and I have my bar. I have my peace and I don't want war. I have my riches, I don't need war. I got my money, I got my girl. Got my diamonds, I got my pearl. Got my things and I got my wings. I'm a fly every day and the Lord of. Everybody sing. Run, walk, anything. Because you know, say, the schools in the West, we really need the help.
Darkest night, you never leave us or forsake us. Lead us into brighter day.
Hey guys, come let me tell you about my experience at SAGICOR SIGMA RUN 2026. So today I signed up to do walking because as a big buck I can't really do the running because we're short of breath. So here I'm showing you that I hit the 2K mark, the 3K mark, but guys, the experience, I went really for the experience. I really enjoy this walk. For one, it's for a good cause, and two, it's a good exercise, you know. When I was doing it, I felt the burn in my leg. I said, yes, Tia, keep going, girl, you got this. So if you have never gone to any Sigma run, you should sign up and participate. Even if you are alone, I did this run all by myself, and I'm telling you.
Hi, this is Nicola. This is me before the Sigma run. Hi, my name is Angela. This is me before Sigma run. Hi, this is Sean. This is Sean before the Sigma run. And this is me after the 5K. And this is Sean. Sean was the first one to reach here. We are now waiting on Angel. Yeah, fine hour. Yeah, fine hour. It was about experience. I did not like that at all. All of you are going to go back to my earth. This is us after the 5K. Come guys, all the food, take the food.